Check it out, y'all. This rain ain't gonna stop me. I ran home, took the little dog, grabbed the canopy. We're still out here trying to fish. I had lost one already. I got a good feeling about this. I'm gonna catch one today. If I catch one, I'm eating that sucker for dinner. Happy Father's Day again, guys. Hope you all having a good day. God bless everybody. Look at that view. If I catch any, I'll post some videos of a fish. I just got some shrimp, some old raw shrimp. All right, y'all have a good day. Cook some good food.